For the next question, question 3, we want to find the equation of the tangent of this curve at this particular point. So what we want to do, a tangent is a straight line, so it's got equation y equals mx plus c. What we can do is differentiate this, our curve, and sub in x equals -1. That will give me the gradient of the tangent. Okay, so let's do that first. So we've got y equals x squared minus x cubed over x to the power 4. Remember this rule, if we've got a fraction over one number, we could just split up the fraction. So our equation is actually x squared on x4 minus x cubed on x4. We could simplify this, so it's actually y equals x to the minus 2. Remember, you do indices, take away the indices when it's divided, minus x to the minus 1. Now we could work out the gradient. Dy by dx would be minus 2, we bring the indices down, x to the minus 3, plus 1, because you've got -1 times the negative, which is positive 1, x to the minus 2. Okay, and in positive indice form, it looks like that. Now we could sub in x equals -1 to work out what the gradient is. Okay, so dy by dx would be minus 2 on minus 1 cubed plus 1 on -1 squared. So -1 cubed is actually -1. So -1 to an odd indice is always negative. -1 to a even indice is positive. And we have plus 1 on 1, because -1 to an even number is positive. -2 divided by -1 is actually 2. A negative divided by a negative is positive. So we have 2 plus 1, which is 3. So in this equation, y in our equation y equals mx plus c, we know the gradient is 3. Okay, we also need to work out what our constant is, c. In order to do that, we need only one unknown. So we know what m is and we know what x is because it's told us over here. We need to work out what the point y is as well. In order to do that, we need to put x into our original equation. So we know that y equals x squared minus x cubed on x to the power 4. And if we sub in -1, we have -1 squared minus -1 cubed over -1 to the power 4. So remember, when it's an even number, it's positive. So you have 1 minus, when it's an odd number, it's negative. So you have 1 minus -1 on positive 1. 1 take -1 is actually 1 plus 1, which is 2 on 1, which is 2. So we know what y is, we know what x is, and we know what m is. So now we can work out c. So y is 2, m is 3, x is -1 plus c. Remember, this is y equals mx plus c. So 2 equals -3 plus c. 2 plus 3 equals c. Therefore c equals 5. So our equation is y equals 3x plus 5. So that's the equation of our tangent.